Hey guys, my name's Elena Finney, and I just wanted to welcome you to Biological Pest Management, your 8-week course for this semester. It is going to be a faster paced course because it is only 8 weeks, but I wanted to log on my Moodle and show you some things that will pop up on your side that will be very important to you to make sure you're successful through this class, and then I want to walk through a few important things on your syllabus. Okay, so here in the background is Moodle, and it is what it looks like on my end. But it will look very similar to you. Brief introduction, but each week it's labeled week one. This is week one of the course, but it will tell you the dates that it is, things that you're expected to do this week, and if the due date is before the 14th at 11:55 p.m., it will be bolded and highlighted. Very important this week that you do this census activity right here and knock that out by the 11th. Okay, it is the 8th. So it's 3 days. By the 11th, you have to have your census data activity done. It will take you like 5 minutes max. So knock that out. Okay. This is a welcome discussion forum that will show up for you. Everything's explained up here in the description. Here's you an example of myself. Okay, so you'll know exactly what to do. And here is our syllabus, but I'm going to slash this down because I have it pulled up in the back and go over a few things with you. Okay, I am located on the Albemarle campus in office number 229E, 229E in the Patterson building. If you ever need me, if you're local, you want to come on campus, you want to talk, you have some questions, you're like, this assignment makes no sense, please feel free to stop by. Here's my office phone. If you ever need to give me a call, leave me a message if I'm not here. I'm typically very quick to get back within that day. If you call before 3 o'clock, hopefully I can call you back before the end of the day, or the following day you'll have a phone call from me. I have listed 2 emails here on my syllabus. The first one is at stanley.edu. That's the best one to email me with any questions, comments, concerns, for the quickest response. That does link to my cell phone, and so within 2 to 3 hours you should have a response if it is a working day. Now on the weekends it typically give me a day. I don't have my phone with me constantly as much as I do here at work checking emails and stuff like that, so it might be a little delayed on the weekends, but I promise you I'll get back to you as soon and quickly as I can. This other email is at sec.stanley.edu. That's the email that will pop up on your email side. If you use that one, that one's fine, don't worry. I check those as well. Okay, so there's no meeting times scheduled. This is all online. All right. So again, another big thing you need to know, there's no textbook needed. I will post PowerPoints, things for you to read, things for you to do online for you. Okay. Again, here are some educational things. Student learning outcomes, kind of so you'll know an outline of what we're going to do. The other really important thing in here is my grades for you. We are a 10-point scale here, and you'll get your grades on the following thing: quizzes, classroom forum discussions, essays and written assignments, and labs. There will be some projects and labs that you will do on your own that might be building something, identifying something, finding pests in your area, and uploading those to Moodle. Okay. The last very important thing that you should keep a check on is this calendar, weekly classly activities. As you can notice over here, it tells you the tentative date everything is due. Again, my class is set up for everything to be due Sunday night at 11:55. Moodle does not allow us to choose midnight, so we have to choose 11:55. So make sure you know that. And then the last day that you'll have stuff to do is March 4th. So hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or shoot me a message on Moodle or whatever. I check Moodle every day that I'm in the office, and then once on the weekends. So I will definitely be here to help you. So don't let that stop you from having a successful class.